The group behind the IEC Convention Center and the new North Side Beacon development, Duros, acknowledges the people behind their success in their 6th State of Duros Address. Founded in 1989, the Duros Group has persisted through 28 years of quality Cebuano service. The group is composed of 10 companies, including Duros Development, Duros Land Properties, Cebu Ecothermal Horizons, San Vic Agro Builders, Liluan Golf and Leisure Estate, Regent Property Management, and the Divine Life Institute of Cebu, among others. A believer in getting stronger together, the Duros Group acknowledged the 2018 accomplishments of these 10 companies.
We would like to emphasize nagsatag sa pagpaningkamot sa lain-lain nga kompanya dinhi sa Duros Group. We cannot allow the year 2018 to pass without acknowledging nagsatag sa accomplishment kanang kompanya.
Some of these accomplishments include the hosting of big events in the IEC Convention Center, such as the Big Bad Wolf Book Sale, Cebu Design Event 2018, and even the 2018 presidential visit. The group has also branched out of Cebu, having installed an asphalt batching plant in Tacloban and a concrete batching plant in Siargao.
For the year 2019, we expect that Duros will be more aggressive, especially in out-of-town projects and more on tourism-oriented developments. Especially nga, excited mi sa among Siargao expansion. Diin na dito atong mga ang atong construction projects, ang atong tourism, o hopefully we're also expecting nga maka-expand pud mi sa Panglao in Bohol.
Still, Duros continues to serve the Cebuanos with the opening of their new development, the North Side Beacon in Liluan.
We are known sa atong construction on roads to be quality. That's why ning last time nani kadugay tungod sa pagsalig sa gobyerno. Now we are trying to prove that we can build quality houses for our Filipino Cebuano families, and dili gyud magmahay ang atong Cebuano families to buy properties from our Liluan our Duros Land project.
Thank you to the people who are very supportive in our election and on the things we have done in 2018. This would not happen if not for the support for our different managers, supervisors, our partners, our suppliers, and also, and most of all, to our God, who give us the strength, who give us the patience, who give us the strength for us to continue what we have done and we have started. And with that, let's congratulate to each other, to all of us who are here.
The Duros Group proves that nothing is impossible with teamwork, humility, and striving to bring quality in one's work. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.